According to our chemistry syllabus, there are organic chemistry portion, and in that portion we have aromatic compound. Firstly we have aromatic compound. First of all, what are the aromatic compounds? Why that compounds called as aromatic compound? So whenever we thought about aromatic compound, the first structure that comes in our mind, that is benzene. Okay, that is benzene, and that have alternate double bond in their inner side, and that contain 6 hydrogen atom in their structure, and their molecular formula is C6H6, and here the name is benzene. Okay, its name is benzene. So why it is called a aromatic compound? Okay, let me explain. It is obeys some rule. That rule is known as Huckel's rules. Okay, that rules known as Huckel's rule. Huckel's rule. He was a scientist, and benzene follows the Huckel's rules. That's why it is aromatic compound. What Huckel's rules says? Okay, firstly it says the compound must be cyclic. Okay, must be cyclic. As you see, the structure of benzene is cyclic, that not linear. Okay, it satisfying the first condition of Huckel's rules. Okay, then the second rule is complete conjugated. That means we are seeing here pi bond, here sigma bond, pi sigma pi. Alternative conjugated, complete conjugated is there. That's why it obeys the second rule. Complete conjugated. Okay, conjugated. It follows the second condition, and third condition is it must be planar. Okay, it must be planar, which means we can say 2D. The structure must be planar. And the fourth one is the rule is there is a condition for n plus 2 bracket pi electron, where the n is equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. up to n number. Okay, these are the 4 rules that the compound benzene satisfies all the 4 rules. That's why it named as aromatic compound. Okay, and the benzene is the most famous aromatic compound, and this is the most stable compound. We can conclude that aromatic compound are most stable, and though benzene is aromatic compound, that's why benzene is also a most stable compound. Okay, the next is the preparation of benzene. Okay, in our syllabus there are present 4 preparation method. First one is phenol, second one is by the process of decarboxylation of the aromatic acid, third one is from acetylene. Okay, then the fourth one is the from benzene sulfonic acid. Phenol means the if in the benzene ring OH group, that means alcohol group, is there, then that is called phenol. And the decarboxylation is a process we will see in the next slide. Acetylene is nothing but the ethine. That means carbon possesses triple bond. Okay, 3 molecule is involved of ethene to prepare benzene. Okay, we will see in the next slide. And the fourth one is the from benzene sulfonic acid. The structure of benzene sulfonic acid is there will be a benzene and that contain SO3H. Okay, this is benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, this was all the preparation method. Okay, then let's see the each method separately. Okay, first one is from phenol. Okay, how we can prepare the benzene from the compound that is phenol. Okay, let me draw the structure of the phenol. Phenol is nothing but, sorry, let me erase. Okay, this is phenol. Okay, this compound is named as phenol, and phenol is reduced to benzene when whenever that passing its vapor overheated zinc dust. Okay, let me explain in more details. This is the product we have, and we want to we want what, benzene. Okay, we want benzene. Its molecular formula is C6H6O. There is oxygen is extra oxygen is there in case of the phenol. Okay, but in case of the phenol, in case of the benzene, that is no oxygen is there in their structure, that is C6H6 normally. So basically we have to reduce this oxygen. Okay, let me change the color. Okay, this oxygen, we have to remove this oxygen from the structure of the phenol, that then we can get the benzene which is required for us. Okay, for the removal of this particular oxygen, we have to treat it with phenol with zinc dust. Okay, Zn heated, heat vapor form to get benzene. This is benzene. Okay, this was the preparation of benzene from phenol. Okay, then next we have to move next preparation, that is from the by the decarboxylation of aromatic acid. Okay, by the decarboxylation of the aromatic, here see what happening in this case. Okay, in this reaction what happening, sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Let me draw the structure of it. Okay, this is benzene. Okay, and it has sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Na got positive charge and carboxylic acid goes negative charge, and we say this compound is sodium benzoate. This compound is sodium benzoate. Okay, this compound is named as what, sodium benzoate. Okay, let me erase. You clear about the structure, that is sodium salt of carboxylic acid, or that the name of that compound is sodium benzoate. Okay, then we have to see the particular reaction. Okay, what is happening here, what's going on in this reaction. Okay, let me fix me fast. And in this particular reaction, let me draw the structure. The structure is sodium benzoate. Here, as it is, benzene is there. Okay, then sodium salt is here. Okay, sodium salt is here and is treated with NaOH, NaOH and CaO in presence of heat. Okay, sodium benzoate is treated with NaOH and CaO in the presence of heat, and it is soda lime. Okay, this complete what we called with this complex, the sodium benzoate is reaction happening, then the product is obtaining what we required. Our requirement is benzene. Okay, when the sodium benzoate is treated with, or we can say heated with soda lime to produce what we required. We required benzene and sodium carbonate will be formed. Okay, let me complete the reaction. What happening in this particular reaction? Okay, here let me change the color first. Here the oxygen will go there here, then this compound will completely detach from the benzene ring. Then what will happen? Benzene ring will be stable. Okay, this compound is goes, then hydrogen atom will attach here. Okay, then the benzene will be stable. Then what happening? See carefully. Okay, this is sodium, this is sodium, this is oxygen, this is two oxygen and carbon is there. Okay, this is catalyst. Na2 are there, or we can write Na2. C is there. How many oxygen are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. You can write CO3, and this product is known as sodium carbonate. This is known as sodium carbonate, and our required product is benzene. Okay, this was the process about decarboxylation of aromatic acid. Our here aromatic acid is sodium benzoate, which is sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Okay, then the next preparation method is from acetylene. As I told you earlier, that acetylene is nothing but the ethene, that is CH triple bond CH. Okay, this is acetylene. Let me draw the complete reaction. Okay, let's see the reaction. From acetylene we have to prepare benzene. Okay, the structure of acetylene. Okay, as we told earlier, that 3 molecules will involve in this process. 1 molecule, 2 molecule, 3 molecule. Okay, this 3 molecule of what is this? This is acetylene, and this will go undergoes cyclic polymerization. Okay, what will happen there? There is a red iron hot tube. This is okay. Let me draw in the red color. This is red color. Okay, when these are passing through this side, and we will get benzene from this side. Simple. Okay, whenever this will pass through this side of the tube, benzene will release from this side of the tube. Okay, the temperature required is 873 Kelvin. 873 Kelvin temperature required for the heat of the tube. Okay, for the heat of the tube, 873 Kelvin temperature is required. Okay, this was the normal equation. Let me explain that how this is occurs. How is okay? Let me erase the complete whiteboard. Okay, okay, okay. See carefully. When this compound, this is known as acetylene, when this compound is undergo the red hot tube, okay, what happening? This triple bond, here is a there will be a bond. Will this bond will break and it will go here. But simply this bond will be here. It means in between this carbon and this carbon, this bond is comes in between this carbon and this carbon. Simply this bond will come in between two carbon, this carbon, this carbon. Okay, if you draw the structure, what will happen? This will be removed and here will be a bond. Okay, this will remove, here will be a bond. This will remove, here will be a bond. What observe the structure carefully. What product obtained? Okay, this is double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. That is alternative form. Alternative form has double bond and sigma bond and pi bond are there, which is known as what? That is benzene, and our product is formed. This is benzene. Okay, benzene. Okay. Now let's go to the last preparation of method. This is from the benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, benzene sulfonic. Okay, let me draw the structure of benzene sulfonic acid. Simply benzene ring will have SO3. This is known as benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, all guys, you clear? Then we have to write down the complete structure. Okay, this is the benzene sulfonic acid, that is SO3H. Okay, and it will be heated with water in the form of steam. Okay, and in the presence of HCl, that is acid, and it will require temperature like 150 to 200. This is the common range. Okay, and then the product will be obtained, that is our required product, benzene. Okay, and the byproduct will be H2SO4. Okay, let me explain this reaction, this how it happening. Okay, how this happens. First is this H2O, if you break, what will happen? That 2H is there and 1 oxygen. Okay, from this 1 hydrogen will attack this position. Okay, then this complete SO3 will detach from the structure of the benzene. Okay, then 1 hydrogen will attach here, then it will complete stable, that will form benzene. Then what remaining atoms are there? This is SO3H and this is H2O. Okay, if we sum this, if we arrange this remaining part, what will happen? 2H molecule, then what happened? 2H2, then S is 1, here S, O3, here 1 O is there. What happened? H2SO4, which is known as sulfuric acid, and it is known as the king of the organic acid, because by the help of H2SO4 we test a lot of things in organic chemistry. That's why it is known as the uh, king of the organic acid, and it is one of the most strongest acid. Okay, this was all about the preparation of benzene which are present in our syllabus.